Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Freaking cold today, and the battery on that Mercedes is giving up on us, guys. So we'll show you how to remove and replace, guys, a battery on W203 Mercedes. That should cover the years from 2002 all the way until 2008. So what you need to do, you need to open the hood, and let us show you where the battery is located now. It's under the cabin air filter, okay, right there. So we need to release, okay, those clips, you can see like that. We need to go ahead and remove those. One of them is still holding a little bit, and you can pull the air filter, cabin air filter, out of there. Okay guys, and this is the battery right here. You can see that thing is pretty old. So we're going to go ahead and remove it and replace it. Stay with us, we're going to show you how to do that. And please guys, subscribe, help us grow that channel together. Let's make it big and help more people. Okay guys, so we need to get a 10mm wrench, and we need to remove the positive and the negative cables. Okay, you can use a socket too on those, but even if you have a wrench, you can just use the wrench itself. And it's good if you have some battery cleaner, pulse cleaner. You can apply some that way. That way guys, you won't have any rust buildup and things like that. That will prevent the car from starting in the future. Okay, we almost got this one now. Once you get them loose, guys, you can pull them out. And sometimes they might be really stuck depending for how long they haven't been removed. And this one is about 5-6 years. Okay, negative came out, now the positive one. A little bit easier. Okay, now we have a mount that we need to remove on the bottom. Okay, so if you look right here, okay, it's really dark, trying to do our best. There is a 13mm nut on this side that you need to remove. Stay with us to see what else you need to do in order to pull it out. Okay, so you need to go ahead, get that nut off. And there is one more, just like that, which is right behind. Okay, let me show you. Okay, it's right there, you can see that nut. Same thing. So we're gonna go ahead, take this one off as well. Okay, now we can go ahead and pull the battery out. It comes only in one angle. Okay, we're catching a little bit on the positive cable, so you need to be careful. Okay, we'll need to lift one side up. It looks like we need to disconnect the breather hose. We almost forgot about that one. Okay, we're just gonna careful, it might have acid on this one. Use gloves, guys, when you do that repair. Okay, right there, battery is out. Super heavy and big. Okay, that's the mount we were talking about with the two nuts. Okay, so we're going to remove it now. Alright guys, we're coming with the new battery right here. You can see. You gotta make sure that positive, negative the same capacity, everything's the same, so it fits right for your vehicle. Otherwise it's very tight fit and you might not get it there. So I'll just go ahead and hold the positive while one person is getting the battery in. Okay, we got the positive underneath it, so okay, hold on. Okay, like that. Okay, we got it in now. Okay, it's in place. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, guys, and we just install the mount now. You need to get the nuts there. We recommend to have someone with smaller hand and use gloves. We don't, we should, I know. Because if you have acid, it's gonna get on your skin, and that's not good stuff. So the two nuts with the 13mm wrench, get those now, and we're gonna get those tight. And after that we're going to install the wires, the positive and negative cable. Okay guys, the second nut, we have hard time installing that one, so we're gonna show you a trick how to do it now. If you get a little bit of silicone and apply on top of the nut, okay, and that way the socket is going to hold it, and you can just drop it in, unless you drop it like that on the floor, like what we did here. Okay, watch now, it just stays like that. So you can go ahead, it's kind of like fishing, but you're gonna get it, guys. And okay, just get it tight. Okay, getting the nuts tight now. And next we will go ahead and get the cables installed. And if we have any warning lights, we'll show you how to clear those. Don't forget to install the breather hose that we removed already. So that one goes on the side there. We need to take care of it. So it just pushes in there. That way the acid will not be leaking in the battery compartment. It will go out, because otherwise it will corrode there. Okay, perfect. Okay guys, all we have to do now, make sure that you have the key with you. Okay, right here, because sometimes the alarm will go off. Go ahead, connect the cables. First the ground wire, negative, and after that we will go ahead and proceed with the positive. Get them tight, and we'll need to install the filter. Okay, so we have the battery corrosion preventative spray, you can see. So we're going to go ahead and spray the posts on the battery with that when we're done. That way it will not build any corrosion, which can leave you on the road, guys, because corrosion will make the cables not to contact with the battery, which will be pretty much impossible to start the car until you clean it. Okay, and next thing, all we have to do, install the cabin filter now. And this one sometimes is tricky because you have to get the clips all at the same time. Okay, so now you just need to install it there, and okay, let's show you how you have to do that thing. Kind of like get them, all of them there. Okay, and get it tight. One, now, okay, 2, 3, all of them are tight, perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and see if it starts now. Okay, fire right up. Okay, let's see if everything's good. No warning lights. If you have traction light, you might have to go all the way to left, right, and it will reset everything. Drive the car for about 5 minutes and everything should be fine. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please give us a like, support our channel. Let's grow it together.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.